When it comes to boosting the value of your home, the little things often make the biggest impact. One of the most overlooked aspects of home improvement is door installation. Whether it's a front door, interior doors, or sliding patio doors, new and upgraded doors can significantly enhance the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your home, making it more attractive to potential buyers. In Cayce, where homes range from charming historic residences to modern builds, installing or replacing doors is a powerful way to elevate your property's value. First impressions matter. A front door is more than just an entryway, it's the first thing people see when they approach your home. A stylish, well-maintained door can create a strong curb appeal that catches the eye of passers-by and potential buyers. Whether it's a classic wood door, a sleek contemporary design, or a rustic steel door, a new front door can make a lasting impression. In Cayce, where neighborhoods are known for their diverse architecture, the right door can enhance the character of your home and blend seamlessly with the surrounding environment. When buyers see an inviting, high-quality door, they'll perceive your property as well cared for, increasing the chances of a quick sale at a higher price. Improved energy efficiency. The quality of your doors plays a critical role in your home's energy efficiency. Older doors, especially if they have gaps, cracks, or worn-out seals, can lead to significant heat loss or air infiltration. This results in higher energy bills and less comfort within your home. Installing modern, energy-efficient doors can make a noticeable difference. These doors are designed to better insulate your home, keeping the interior cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. By reducing energy consumption, you save on utility bills while also making your home more attractive to eco-conscious buyers. In Cayce, where temperatures can vary widely, energy-efficient doors add significant value by enhancing comfort and lowering long-term maintenance costs. Enhanced security. A secure home is a desirable home, and doors play an essential role in keeping your property safe. Installing high-quality doors with modern security features, such as reinforced locks, deadbolts, and impact-resistant materials, can dramatically improve your home's safety. Buyers are increasingly looking for homes that offer peace of mind, and a sturdy, secure door signals that your property is both safe and well-maintained. In Cayce, where safety and community are a priority, security-conscious buyers will appreciate the value added by strong, reliable doors. Whether it's an exterior door or a secure interior door leading to a home office or master bedroom, the right door can enhance your home's overall security profile. Increased aesthetic appeal. Doors are not just functional, they also contribute significantly to the overall aesthetic of your home. Whether you're replacing interior doors or adding a new patio door, the design and material of the doors you choose can greatly affect the overall look and feel of your space. Elegant wooden doors can add warmth and sophistication to your home's interior, while sleek glass or metal doors can provide a contemporary, minimalist touch. By carefully selecting doors that match your home's existing decor, you can create a cohesive design that enhances the visual appeal of your living spaces. When prospective buyers walk through your home, they'll be drawn to the beautiful, updated doors, which helps them visualize themselves living in your space. An inviting interior that feels both stylish and well thought out is more likely to increase its market value. Greater functionality. In addition to the aesthetic and security benefits, new door installations can improve the functionality of your home. For instance, upgrading to sliding glass doors can open up living spaces, connecting indoor areas with outdoor patios, decks, or gardens. This seamless transition between the interior and exterior can make your home feel more spacious and increase its livability. Similarly, replacing outdated or poorly functioning doors can improve traffic flow and accessibility in your home. For families with young children or elderly members, doors that open easily and smoothly can add convenience and safety. This improvement in functionality makes your home not only more enjoyable to live in but also more appealing to potential buyers. Conclusion. In Cayce, where homes are as unique as their owners, door installation is an investment that can provide exceptional returns. A new door doesn't just enhance curb appeal, it improves energy efficiency, increases security, adds aesthetic appeal, and enhances functionality. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to improve your home, installing new doors is one of the most effective ways to increase your property's value. Take the time to choose doors that fit your home's style and needs, and you'll see a marked difference in both its value and the comfort it offers to your family.